Have you ever wondered what it takes to win the heart of a god? In ancient times, there lived a mortal named Psyche, whose beauty rivaled that of Venus, the goddess of love herself. Jealous of Psyche's charm, Venus devised a wicked plan. She commanded her son Eros, the god of love, to make Psyche fall in love with the most hideous creature. But as Eros approached, he was struck by her beauty and accidentally pricked himself with his own arrow, falling madly in love with her. He whisked her away to a hidden palace where they lived in bliss, but he forbade her to see his true form. Curious and unable to resist, Psyche broke the promise and lit a lamp to gaze upon her lover. To her horror, she discovered he was not a monster, but a radiant god. In her shock, she spilled hot oil on him, waking him from his slumber. Heartbroken, Eros fled, leaving Psyche desperate and alone. Determined to win him back, Psyche endured numerous trials set by Venus, each more challenging than the last. Her perseverance and spirit of love ultimately captured Eros' heart once more, leading to their reunion and the union of mortal and divine.